The University of Southern Mississippi Master's Degree Program in Economic Development has invited us back this year. So in the fall, 30 students will receive access to HubSpot for economic developers. Inside of the course, they will learn how to use this system, and they will each deconstruct an economic development project that has been won somewhere in North America. The idea is we take the win and then we back into it by associating the right companies, contacts, incentives, sites, buildings, and everything it took to win that project. Never thought we would be part of a master's degree program, so we're super excited to be back. Thank you so much for having us. Love what the university is doing to help students get practical hands-on experience with modern technology that they can take into the workforce. Thanks again.